You know the money lies in your email list, right? However, the biggest question most business owners have is how to get their email subscribers to click through to their website to check out their latest and greatest offers. HubSpot says video can boost click-through rates by 200 to 300%. That means video is a highly effective way to engage your brand and get your audience to act. When you think about it from the perspective of a business owner, you're probably trying to figure out how to use video to increase engagement and drive traffic. When you use videos in your email marketing, you can grab people's attention, get your message across, and convert them. It doesn't matter if you're creating a product demo, a behind-the-scenes video, or a testimonial from a customer. Videos can help you build trust, they can showcase your products, and engage your customers. Using video in email marketing is similar to adding spices to your cooking. It might not be the main ingredient, but it adds flavor and depth to enhance the overall experience. You get more results when you add video to your email marketing campaigns.
The best way to market yourself with video is to create Expertgrams that position you as an expert. Learn how Expertgrams can help you grow your business, convert your website, and reach your customers by leveraging your authority in a crowded market. You can reach our expert guest by calling 518-396-5885 or clicking the link below. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you next episode.